Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8+ pip and a functioning Tkinter main. Py. Once confirmed, create and activate a virtualenv to isolate dependencies. This avoids system conflicts when packaging. Make sure your app has a clear entry point like if name == main, root, main loop. Next, trim unused imports and test the UI locally. Do this early so packaging uses only required files and keeps the binary small for distribution. You now convert the app into a distributable artifact. Pick PyInstaller for simplicity or cxfreeze for control, then pip install it inside the virtualenv. Create a spec or setup script that explicitly includes ICO, images, and custom TK libraries. Missing data is the usual runtime error. Run the builder in one-file mode for single exe or dir mode for easier debugging. After build, execute the binary on a clean VM or container to validate runtime behavior. You finish by preparing distribution and a quick support path. Create platform-appropriate installers, nsys for Windows, dmg/pkg for Mac OS, AppImage for Linux, and sign or notarize when necessary. Once released, provide a single log collection step and include a debug build option. If users report crashes, reproduce on a clean image, enable verbose packager logs, and check missing Tkinter DLLs or library paths. Often adding the TK folder to datas in the spec fixes it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.